Style Web Survey Free. You can generate income online through a variety of ways. You can generate income online through a variety of ways. Primary amongst these are the models which are tried and tested by others. Prior to beginning a get-rich-quickly design of your own, get a feel of the market. To do this, you might want to take a look at a few of the other websites using the required services similar to the ones offered by your site. If the sites of these websites often need users to sign up within before they can really see the benefits, you might in fact have to sign up within the website. These sites often require some cash from the individuals desired to join in the site. These sites also use the choice of a good deal of other programs of getting rich from where you can choose one. Hence, you would do well to participate amongst these websites prior to beginning a study of your own. There are a number of advantages to this as well. For one, you will have a sure shot concept of how to lure individuals to your website. You will have an idea of what people look for in a site. All this detail can then be used in the formation of your website, and then you can loom forward to making it a big success. There are different types of sites providing various services to individuals. There are websites which help you invest. There are sites which assist you to earn money online. There are also some websites which are called web design websites, which assist you develop your own identity on the internet. The websites assist you not just to create your site, but also to get the work done and the cash making on your website. These are called design websites also. You can earn money through the assistance of these sites. You can take the assistance of these websites for the purpose of setting up your own site, or you can make a web design website yourself. Gives your services to the people. Either way, you will benefit, as you will be the one who will be on the making side. Hence, you can make a decent quantity of money on the web. These websites frequently demand some money from the individuals wanting to join in the website. These are called style web websites. You can make money through the aid of these websites. You can take the help of these websites for the purpose of setting up your own website, or you can make a website yourself. Advertisements give your services to the individual, as I'd already said. So, hope a bit of this has helped you to understand of setting up things. If you want a lot more, I have a link underneath my video to my YouTube channel. Now it's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. I'll put that above my head so you can see it properly. It's YouTube at Ian Jackson 1366. Now I've got over 180 videos, probably 200 or more by the time you get to see it, as I put more up each week. Also underneath there's a like button. Click on that and press subscribe. Also at the top there's a bell. Click on the bell, press all. You'll get informed. Excuse me. You'll be informed when I put my next video up. Whatever you do and start and wherever you go, please do the proper searches. Use Google, put the name of whatever site you're starting or whatever company you're joining into Google, and they'll come up with pages about the company or site. Go through it properly, find out what sort of commissions they pay, how long they've been going, do they treat their affiliates right, do you get advertising from them to use, do you get banners from them to use, how often you get paid your commissions, and how much commissions you get. Look into it all. Also, YouTube is a good site for learning how to make money online. You put in how to. So it's how to make money online, how to start an online business, how to work from home, stuff like that. YouTube, they're all right as well. So always do the research before you start anything. Under my video, if you want more help, I've told you there are the channels, but I've also got programs under there I use, and also the tools I use. Now they're all affiliated links underneath. None of them I own. I don't own a program at all. Tools I own, yes, because I purchased them. But the links to get same sort of tools are underneath my video. To help you on the internet, use the same tools as as you can see by my video. I make the video, I edit the video, I put the video up online, so I got the same. Now I got the movie maker, and I've also got the webcam. So they're all making these things, speakers, whatever, they're all underneath in links. If you purchase any of those, join any, I get paid a small commission. That's the way we work on the internet. So don't forget, do your research. Make sure you know what you're getting into. Don't get scammed. There's lots of scams online. And I wouldn't like you to get scammed after putting a lot of work in. It's just wasting time and money. So it's Ian Jackson saying, I hope you succeed online. I hope you come back. Also, please click the like button below and subscribe, as that helps me with YouTube, and the bell up top if you want more. So it's wishing you all the very best in your online ventures, and I'll say cheerio for now. Ian Jackson signing off.